If you want to insert SIM card into Xiaomi 17T Pro, then in that case we need to take a look at the bottom side of the phone. Over here you should be able to find the SIM tray, and there is also this SIM tray hole on the SIM tray. You need to use eject tool in order to put it into this SIM tray hole, so let's do that. Of course your SIM eject tool should be inside the box, so you should be able to find it quite easily. But we're gonna put it in over here, there we go. And then you want to push it into the phone to make it slightly pop out. So once that happens, you want to use your fingernails or fingers and then remove the SIM tray completely from the phone. Now, in here we can insert our SIM cards. So over here on this side we have SIM card slot number 1, and then on the reverse side of course we have SIM card slot number 2. So we just need to match the shape of the SIM card slot and just put it into its place. There we go. You might also hear like a little click if you insert your SIM card correctly. And of course I'm gonna insert both of my SIM cards over here. And there we go. Of course, make sure that your SIM card or SIM cards, they do not stick out. And then we're gonna put it back into the phone. So let's take a look at the bottom side again. Use your SIM tray and push it all the way back into the phone with your finger. And make sure that it does not stick out. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.